Hey there guys, in this video I'm going to talk about the best apps for personal loan that you can get. First and foremost, I want to share one important thing is that the best thing you can do is go try banks, and they're your best bet. If you have a good CIBIL and you use Credit, they provide loans and pretty good amount too. No additional charges or pre-closure. So this is very good. Okay, now the second one that I want to share is Sophie. So with the Sophie you have like low monthly payments, and Sophie is good, but be very careful about the interest rates can be high depending on the credit. But I'm like fan of Sophie, so that's the first one. So another one is also called Best Egg and Achieve. So then also like loan. Here you go. This is like another one. So competitive rates for home repairs or consolidation. This is like another one that you can actually check out for yourself, that maybe it's going to do is that use your car as a collateral to get funds fast, flexibility, leverage your equity. So the Best Egg is also interesting one that you can actually like see for yourself if you like it. Now also Avant. So that's like another one. So with the Avant, you're gonna have like personal loan, credit card, and for the loan, what you have to be aware of, that fair to poor credit scores around like 580, 60, and if you need a quick funding, this is like way to go and how you can actually use it. Now another one is Lending Club. This is like another one that you can actually check out for yourself. So here is peer-to-peer options that are generally trusted. Also, you want to check for the origination fees, but this is like another one that you want to actually check out. And yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. So hope this video provided a little bit of value, what you can actually like do. And if you want to go like in a pinch advances, like if you need few $100, what you can do is you can check out earning. That's like another one. So but you have to be very careful, okay, with this. Oh, so you can have like up to 750 pay period. If you have direct deposit, verification can take few days, but you just have to be very careful about it, okay? So you don't get like addicted to it, right? So that's something that you want to actually be careful about if you are going to use it, to not like be used to it, okay? Because it looks all good and all, but just like don't get tricked, okay? I just like hope so for that. So another one, day loans. So that's like another one, up to $500 in 1 minute or less. And that's like something that you can also check out for yourself. And of course you want to like check the predatory terms and do also your own review, okay? I like beg you for it. So thank you very much guys for watching, and have a great day and goodbye.